Hi besties, so today let's make suya. So I posted this video a while ago with music on it, but Facebook keeps giving me copyright claim on it. So today I decided to voice it because what's the need of creating content and someone will come and claim it because of music. So if you're a suya lover and you find it difficult to make your suya, this is a simple recipe where you can comfortably make your own suya at home at the comfort of your home and enjoy it just as much. As long as you have the meat and the yaji spice and the peanut butter, you're good to go. On top of this video, you will see the descriptions or instructions to follow, to make this suya just as the video is going. And it's just that simple. You have your meat, wash it up, slice it, in a tiny strips, and then you go ahead to dry pat it with kitchen towel. After that, you go ahead and sprinkle some olive oil on it. If you have groundnut oil, it will be best for this recipe. Add your peanut butter and mix, and then add your blended spices. Make sure you don't blend the spices with water, please. After that, mix thoroughly and then go ahead to add your yaji spice. Yaji spice is a must for this recipe. I'm sure you already know that. So add your yaji spice, mix thoroughly, and then go ahead and cover with cling wrap. You want to leave this to marinate for 3 hours. If not, you have to leave it overnight if you are not in a hurry. After 3 hours, go ahead and bring out your meat and start putting in the skewers. Make sure you soak your skewers in water beforehand to avoid burning. You have to keep adding meat to your skewers until it looks something like this. You keep repeating the same process until you are done with all your meat. So depending on how much meat you have and how much skewers you have, you should be able to add or reduce the meat on each skewer, and by the time you are done, it should be looking something like this, either very full or very not full. Spread them out on your tray with a parchment paper on the tray and sprinkle some olive oil on it. After that, go ahead and sprinkle some yaji spice on it. Now go ahead to slightly rub the yaji spice on the meat to make sure that it is properly absorbed. Once you're sure you've properly rubbed the yaji spice on the meat, you want to go ahead and press on it to make sure everything is well absorbed. Pop this into the oven and let it grill for about 30 minutes. So you have to do this on 175 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring it out of the oven and go ahead and sprinkle some yaji spice on the other side because you want to turn it over to the other side. So sprinkle some yaji spice on it. The same process you repeated before putting it in the oven. You want to sprinkle some yaji spice and rub it slightly on it to make sure it is well absorbed. And then go ahead and pop it right back into the oven. Continue grilling for another 20 minutes and your suya is ready. And by the time you're done, this is what it should be looking like. All dried up and crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside with the yaji spice on it. So you can go ahead and plate it with your onions and crushed pepper and you're good to go. You just enjoy and have fun with it. So anyways, follow me, like and share this video if you enjoy watching. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.